Yo, what is up, traders? It's September 28th, 2020. It's Monday, and a little market analysis video coming your way. We had a great day of trading in the VIP group. Hope y'all caught some of the pips, and I think NFP Friday. So we got a bunch of stuff going on and a bunch of movements in the market. And if you watched our weekly outlook video on Sunday, a lot of stuff's transpiring as me and the guys in the accelerator program had predicted. So if you haven't seen that video, check it out. And if you're new to me, welcome to my channel. I appreciate you for being here. I teach people how to go from beginner, intermediate to advanced, and then how to get funded with outside capital using the same methods, strategies, and most importantly, mindset that I've used myself to become a funded trader and to change my own life. And you can absolutely do it to yours. I can show you how. If you're willing to put in the work, that's the only part of the bargain. You got to do the work, man. You got to put the time in, you got to put the effort, and you got to get in that right mindset. So that being said, click link below to get started. We'd love to have you, and let's get right into the screen share here. So crushed it in our VIP group today. I'm not sure how many pips we caught, well over 100, that's for sure. US dollar Swiss. So just nailed this on our call with the accelerator guys in there. I say guys because there's no ladies in there yet. So step it up. But this is what happened. We got perfect retracement off the 61.8. Looking for a buy down here. I have a buy limit in this zone coming in about 9,200. Nice round number we got going on there, 9,200 or so, and then looking for a retest and then to challenge a 73.70 level, which also happens to be this downtrend that we got going on here. But great trade. Great movement in the market here, and this is going to be an awesome buy. You can see this level here also coincides with this low, right? So you can see how significant it is. I just really hope that we make it down to that level. But this is one of the big trades I'm looking at for the week. We just entered Euro Pound, so had some people in the group ask if I thought this was a reversal happening. Definitely, potentially reversal going on here, but we stop below this trend line. I may enter this, exit out of this trade. Let's see here. This is what I was looking at. Yeah, this is what I was looking at from this fractal to this fractal through here and a breakdown and retest. So now we're testing this zone. So here we are in this zone right here. Of course, if we break higher, this is like a double whammy, right? Because if we do break higher, it's not the end of the world. Man, you can see how nicely we retested this 61.8% Fibonacci retracement here. Now we're retesting the 50. Okay, so this is acting super technical right now. I would personally love to see a move down here. And if we do confirm this 78.6% retracement's got a retest all over it. So, but if that doesn't happen, if I love these, excuse me, caffeine wearing off it, 2 in the afternoon. But I love these examples right here because if we do break back above here, not the end of the world, because that's a huge buy signal. Because like I teach in the academy, false breakdown typically leads to breakout. So I have a great strategy around this, and this would be a huge example of that. And if that were to happen, you could probably look for us to retest this, revisit these prices up here around 9,200. So we're at, that would put us at 9,100, so a good 100 pips from where we are. So I'm definitely watching EG. I think this is a great opportunity, one way or the other. Now, let's just take a look here at, let's see, AU. We banked some pips on here. You can see we've already knocked out our first take profit. We are knocking on the door of our second, and we bounced off of this 61.8% retracement here. So this is a great play. I really like it. And you know, what I'm thinking of and what we talked about with my funding traders is that looking for a bounce, a pullback against the dollar, and then some dollar strength to roll into the market. And so, you know, move to 38.2% retracement seems very, very, very likely. And then that would have us targeting these lower levels around here, especially if we have some significant dollar strength coming in the market. Let's take a look at Kiwi. Kiwi looks great, and I really, really hope you can see I have a sell limit right here at this neckline. I would love for a rally for us to hit into this area here, and this would create, a huge selling opportunity in the market. So NZDUSD. Now, if and when this does happen, speaking of false breakouts, you could look at this multiple ways, right? So, man, look how that respected this trend line here. Sorry, my face keeps getting in the way. Really respected this trend line here. Perfect trade setup. Or you could go from this former high to this fractal point here, and boom, right? So this would be a beautiful example of false breakdown leading to false breakout leading to a breakdown. So great strategy. Teach it in the academy. Click the link below to check that out. So NZDUSD. And last but not least, let's take out, I mean, there's a ton of great setups in the market right now. You know what? I was talking about it on our weekly outlook video. And here we are with Taco. Oh, man. The dollar MEX is looking pretty strong here. So this is what I was looking for, a break down and move lower. But we've moved back up above this trend line. So this could be a good buying opportunity. Right here for the peso. So for the dollar versus the peso. So definitely one to watch. And if you're trading Mexican peso, be careful. It moves fast and has some huge spreads. But man, this is going to be a massive breakout. That's for sure. So that's what we're looking at, dollar MEX. And then let's take a look at dollar CAD, which we EURCAD banked us a good 40 pips this morning. No stop losses today or so far in the week. And we're at 14600. So we're looking at a massive cup and handle formation here. There's our handle. Here is our cup. You see the cup right here? I mean, how could you not see it, to be honest? Let's see what objects I could throw in here to see. I'm such a price action trader. I rarely even use these objects in here. You have some good ones in TradingView, but you can see here's the cup, here's the handle. So we would be looking to revisit these former highs, and we're looking pretty bullish, right? Oops. You can see, oh man, beautiful Dude, this setup gets me hyped. Gets me hyped. Hopefully it gets you all hyped. If you're in the VIP group, you caught some pips here as well. And we're also trading it in our accelerator group, in the funding group. So yeah, what we're targeting now, I would watch for a breakout, which arguably we could have already done, but a break higher here, and that's going to really signal a bullish move higher. So last but not least, let's take a look at EURCAD. Sweet, sweet EURCAD. Oh man, here we are. It's playing out pretty nicely. So this is what I talked about. If we do form a double top here, but you know, I would have looked for a sell-off here, but we've kind of been going sideways. So not enough follow through. Just a lot of Canadian weakness in the market. Has a lot to do with crude oil. I haven't been trading crude in forever, which is probably why my profits have been better. But this is an interesting setup right here, where we're at now. Kind of holding at this price point. But it seems to have found some support. So we're right about $40 a barrel. So that's a good mean price right now, at least for the Texas tea. So now if we drop below here, you can really expect that weakness out of the Canadian dollar. And that's going to be the catalyst, which I believe it's a matter of time before we shoot into some bigger and higher prices on EURCAD. So Monday, NFP, Friday, we got so much stuff going on this weekend. I'm going live in my Facebook group. If you're not in there, click the link below to join. And I'm going to be explaining how to not trade with your own funds. Like, why would you? If the opportunity's out there, you just got to put in the time, the effort, and I will mentor you and show you how exactly I've done it. If you've been a part of my group, following anything I do, you know, I give it 110%. I'll meet you exactly where you're at with the amount of effort that you put out there. So if you want to take your life to the next level, I'm telling you, this is the opportunity to do it. So click the link below to get more information. And let's have a great week, everybody. I'll see you in the VIP chat room. Peace. Adios.